with. I don't even know if this tape's gonna stick on my face, child. How do I do this? Like this? Child. Today is going to be a makeup day. Oh, see, I was testing stuff out. So anyways, as usual, I completely put my lashes on way before because y'all already know I struggle with this. And I used 808 from Quo. They are just big and bomb. I love it. Okay, now I've been having some skin issues because it's quite warm and my face is just, I'm getting all sorts of heat and heat rash and all that. I hate it. It's hot right now, so I'm going to try my best to do this look. I'm going to be using one of these variations on my eye. I'm going to be also doing construction. I'm going to be using tape. I've been watching so much Drag Race that I feel like I just want to do a drag makeup video, but it's not going to be this one. And I'm pretty sure I'm not going to do it. But I'm just going to show you the picture that I'm trying to achieve. And I guarantee you it's not going to be like that. Might be close, might be similar, might look good on its own, but it will not be identical. Just one sec. So this is the look I'm trying to achieve. I don't have these colors, so I'm going to be using whatever colors I have to get a similar look. I don't have a lot of brush. I don't have all that stuff. Listen, it's going to be a struggle, child. Anyways, like always, this is not going to be a talking video. You're going to be seeing whatever I do. I think I'm just going to record as is, and we'll see what we come up with. I don't even know if this tape's going to stick on my face, child. How do I do this? Like this? Child. I really think it's like, is it like that? See, it's not even staying. How do you do this? How do you people do this? Okay, it's supposed to be on an angle. Oh Lord, my edges. It's supposed to be on an angle. Wait, or it's supposed to come onto here. And you get that little thing right here. Maybe that's it right there. Lord Jesus. Child. I don't even know how to do this. Is it like that? Is it here? Or is it from here? Wait. This is gonna be a hella funny video. Maybe it's from here. I feel like it's this way. So like I do my wing tip here and then I don't know, it curves up, man. Is it like here? That seems so weird. Watch, this one might be perfect and this one might be a problem. Yo, how y'all do this? Obviously, the tape is going to go on after I do my foundation and whatnot. I'm just trying to see how it looks visually. It's so hot. You guys don't even understand. Like, it's super hot. All right. How the hell do you do this? Like, is it like this? Let me see. I don't have all the products that people would normally use to do this. This does not seem right. Like, I don't think I have all the products. I really don't. I'm just going to use what I have and make this look work. So, I'm going to prep and prime my face. I'm using all the products that I've been using in my previous makeup videos. The only difference is this color palette. This one is from e.l.f. So, I'm going to be using this color in the top right here. It's like a goldish color. It's the only one similar to that color, but I don't know how it's gonna look on my skin. And then the regular, my Tati Beauty, because it's really the only true palette that I have. And I'm gonna be using the Fit Me foundation along with the concealer because I like the look. Now, I've been isolated in my house, so I don't have, my skin complexion hasn't changed drastically. I haven't been in the sun, so I don't know how it's going to look. My neck, however, is a lot lighter than my face. But this look ain't about my face, it's about my eyes. Anyways, I'm so hot. I think this might be a good, I don't know. I think that might be a good place to put it. But then how do I put this knowing that I'm gonna have foundation on my face and it's gonna peel the foundation off. How do you fix that? What do you put? Do I put the finishing powder there and hopes it's a loose finishing powder? Listen, child, this is gonna be a hot mess. I know I see people put powder, but I don't know what powder they put. And I really didn't watch any videos before doing this. I really didn't. I might be an idiot for that. But like, what do you put there to like, oh, maybe it's the powder they use. And old school people use the tape. Like people who don't know better use the tape. Oh my God. So maybe, okay, so maybe I can use the powder to like mark. I can do that. Listen, child. We're about to do this. I did my final look. I'm not mad at it. Obviously, I need work in terms of like this and the wingtip and the blending and stuff like that. But I like it. I really do. Obviously, I need to work on my brows, but whatever. But I love this look. I'm loving my new hair, okay? Don't be mad at me. I'm just saying. I'm stuck in the house. Might as well. This is my something look. I just wanted to play around with colors and textures and edges. Clearly, like you could see, this one looks good, but this one, it looks good, but it's a different shade, so I need to work on that, and here. But I'm not mad at the overall look, to be honest with you, because I am new to this. I am trying, so it's cute. But give it up for my hair, child. I'm definitely going to be trying more of this. And the lashes just give it an added, like, ow. Okay? But that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.